So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to teach you a very simple topic on how to easily create automations on Make.com without having any prior knowledge about the software. Now let's say for example, you have an automation idea in your mind, but you don't know exactly which modules will be required or what flow the automation should be in. So let's say you are building a lead nurturing system which performs a basic task like whenever a new lead comes in, it is added to your Notion, the client is sent a welcome email and then it's tagged to follow up. Now this is a very simple flow, but if you don't have any idea about how Make.com actually works, but you want to create this automation and you don't have much knowledge on what modules would be appropriate to use for this automation, I'll show you a simple trick from which you can create your automations and turn your automation ideas into an actual sellable or implementable package. So let's get started. So here I've created a brand new scenario. Now as I gave you the example of lead nurturing flow, so let's create that. Now I'm not going to add new modules and explain you each and everything. We are going to do each and everything using just AI. So go to ChatGPT, tell what your automation idea is to ChatGPT in detail. So I'll just describe my idea to ChatGPT. So I've given it this simple prompt. I want to build an automation on lead nurturing flow which activates whenever a new lead is added to a Notion. It sends a welcome email, then tags for a follow-up. The automation should also include many other functionalities which an advanced lead nurturing flow would have. Give me a simple prompt to generate this automation using Make.com AI. So this is a prompt which anyone can give. Just describe your automation, what functionality should it have, and also include this line so ChatGPT can include other functionalities which you may not be aware of, and it can also improve your overall automation. So let's see what kind of result ChatGPT gives us. Okay, so it has given us this prompt. So I'll just copy this entire prompt. Here is the Make.com AI. So I'll just go here and tell it to build a scenario for. Okay, so I've copy pasted the prompt here. Let's see what kind of results does Make.com give us. Okay, so it has given us this automation. Let's see if it's good. It watches the database items first, sends an email to the client. Okay, updates the database, schedules a client meeting, updates the team on Slack, updates the Notion database again. It has used a repeater here. It sends an email again, updates the database, sends a message to the team on Slack and updates the Notion database again. Okay, so according to me, considering this was generated under a minute and using Make.com's AI, it is honestly pretty good. And if you want to make any changes or add any new module to this, you can just ask Make.com's AI and it will do it for you. And also if you want to understand this automation in detail, you can just screenshot this, go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to explain this automation to you. Now, once this automation is created, you have to fill in all the values in here. First, make sure to make all your connections here, and then you have to give it all the values. Right, so what you can do is, now let's say my Gmail is connected. So, okay, first verify your connection here. I've made a separate video on how to verify Google's connection, since many people don't use a professional domain. How to connect your @gmail.com account to your Make.com. You can see the button on the iCard above, so you can go and watch that video. But let's say I've made all your connections and you want to know what fields would be filled here. So you can just screenshot this, go to ChatGPT, paste it here and tell it to give each and every values that would be required there. It will give all the values to you, so you can just copy paste those values of what ChatGPT gives. So this is how you can turn your automation ideas into actual implementable and sellable automation products which you can potentially sell for up to $500 or even $1,000. And even if you don't have any ideas of what automation you should create or what automations are on market right now, you can simply just ask AI. You can simply ask ChatGPT of what kind of solution people are looking for. You can go to Reddit, Medium or Quora or any other site where you would know what people are facing problems with, create an automation for that and then reach out to them offering that automation. So I hope you understood how to create simple automations with Make.com even if you don't have enough knowledge about this platform. So I hope you got some value out of this video. There will be a link down in the description so you can join Make.com for free and create amazing automations like these. I will see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye.